What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Coupon Box, and here I am going to share the coupon code for Doordash.com. This is part 1. I am going to share part 2 also because there is new coupon code available in Doordash and you can use it. So here I am going to share 4 fresh coupon code. If you want more coupon code on Doordash topics, subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment down if you want any other coupon code for a particular services or a website. Just comment down below so I'll create a new video for you. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code which is working right now. You can use this coupon code in UK, US and other country too. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code, but before that, if it is not working for you, comment down below because you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code which is working right now.